I had 4 chicken breasts. I pressure cooked them for 40 minutes in a special barbecue sauce. And this is the Caesar salad I just made. Oh wait, hold on. I didn't taste it yet. And wow. Alright, we use wow too much. Especially on my Facebook page. I got no choice. Some of the things I see, I'm like, wow is like a comment you make that like you can't find a comment to make. It's just wow. Once again, you're coming to my channel. Oops. Because no one ever has done this before. And that's why you come to my channel. The one person that I enjoy my entire life was a French chef. His name was Jacques Pepin. When I start doing YouTube cooking videos, I'm going to pretend I'm Jacques Pepin. My nose is running. I had some cayenne pepper that I added to this, and whoa! So far I've done this 3 different salads. I already know this is probably my favorite. Me, I prefer broccoli rabe. Broccoli's my second. Actually, nah. Broccoli rabe is my favorite. Spinach is my second. I've never been a kale eater. I just recently got into it. I'm just into green of green of green. Green is good. Green is God. The greener something is, the more I want to eat it. Look at that. No place in the history of mankind has you ever seen that. Give that a taste. That a taste. And that a taste. One of the comments I make on my Facebook channel is nice. Yeah, that is very nice. I have to throw the very in front of it for that one. Alright, that's my dinner. Thank you for coming to my channel. I hope I gave you some ideas. This is what I do every day of my life. I can't wait to eat that. Look at that. I would turn that into a burrito. Walk and roll, baby. Love you.